Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing just a quick winged eyeliner with a pop of color. So if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned and keep on watching. So I'm just taking my Morphe M518 and I'm using the Tarte Pro palette, and I'm taking the color Innocent and I'm just blending that color into my crease. I'm taking my Kat Von D liner in Trooper and I'm just making a quick line at the end of my eye, and I'm bringing another line down. I like to make a triangle and then fill it in. It just helps me map out how long my wing is going to be and how thick I need to make it. For the rest of the wing, I'm using the NYX Studio Liquid Liner in Extreme Purple, and I'm just closely placing that really close to my lash line. Make sure everything blends in good with the black. I'm also placing Sonia Kashuk's, I believe it's pronounced, Purple Passion pencil liner on my waterline. I'm using my Lancome Grandiose mascara. It's one of my favorites. And for today's look, I decided to go for the Platinum Princess lashes. I'm not really sure why my camera turned into this like yellow tone, but I went ahead and placed my lashes, and I also curled them. I want a little bit of glitter, so I took the Too Faced glitter glue and I placed that on my inner corners, and then I used the NYX Beauty Beam glitter and I placed that right on top of the glue. Don't forget to coat your bottom lashes with mascara. So this concludes today's video. I hope you guys liked today's look. It was just quick and simple, but still with a pop of color. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!